we are cutting across straight to the celebrations in Ayodhya. Here's beautiful celebrations that have already begun. Ayodhya is all set to celebrate Deepotsav. Flagging off today is Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who just lit the lamps along with Governor Anandiben Patel. In fact, the temple town is all decked up for a hectic 3-day celebrations. 5.5 lakh diyas will be lighting up the entire city to celebrate the first Diwali since the Bhumi Pujan of Ram Temple. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath arrived in Ayodhya just a short while ago. He visited the Ram Mandir site and offered prayers there. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to join in the celebrations virtually. Here are live visuals coming in. Remember, this is the first celebration right after the Bhumi Pujan of the Ram Mandir. Here's the massive grand Deepotsava celebration in the temple town of Ayodhya. It's an annual visit that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath makes. This time too, he has arrived in Ayodhya. He's flagged off the celebration and celebrations have now just begun. These are live visuals coming in, aerial shots of Ayodhya, the temple town. Remember, if you plan to watch it virtually, it's possible. This is amid the pandemic. Several visitors would quite naturally want to be part of the celebration, but this time, considering the pandemic, it could be hard to join in the celebration physically. Therefore, virtual opportunity to attend these celebrations virtually has been made. How can you go about it? Remember, the Uttar Pradesh government has arranged for this entire virtual meeting or virtual presentation of the celebration in Ayodhya. In fact, UP government is creating a web portal that will have Lord Rama's portal, and everyone can visit the portal, indulge in virtual lighting of the lamps with this Diwali there, which begins from today, tomorrow, 2 days from today. In fact, a three-day hectic celebration that will be taking place. And to give this virtual celebration a more real feel, some interesting options will also be present on the web portal is what we believe. Devotees will be able to choose from earthen, copper and brass diyas through the virtual web portals. And then light those diyas and be part of the celebrations virtually. In fact, those wanting to be part of this virtually will be guided thoroughly by an animated design to this site, the web portal, to the website. You can virtually light your lamps and diyas and watch the entire event unfold. Remember, Prime Minister Modi is also more likely to be attending this grand event virtually. This is a festival of lights, Diwali, that the country is celebrating tomorrow. Today, the festivities there in the temple town begins. The Deepotsava festival that's already been flagged off by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And here are live visuals coming in that we've cut across from the temple town Ayodhya. Remember that our reporter Abhishek Mishra, who's on ground, is bringing us all those details about how 5.51 lakh earthen lamps that have been lit up all across the ghats in Ayodhya. And to make this celebration all the more grand, approximately about 10,000 volunteers have been working endlessly. They've been part of this. They volunteered themselves to make this a grand calendar marker. Considering that this is also amid the pandemic, the kind of negativity that the pandemic brought in over the last 8 to 9 months, this festival of lights and the celebration in Ayodhya clearly hoping to bring in that spirit and the positivity much needed this time around. Abhishek Mishra joining us, a reporter from Ayodhya, to bring us a perspective. Abhishek, right over to you. We're seeing some visuals of the tableaus already that have kicked off. It's beautiful, it's stunning to say the least. People are in masks. We're glad to see that COVID protocols have been followed. That the visuals that we see here, all of them are wearing their masks. They're trying as much to maintain a slight distance. It could be a little difficult considering it's a populous city and this is a time when people are excited. They're all wanting to be part of this grand celebration after the Bhumi Pujan that took place of the Ram Mandir. This is the first event of such festivity. Take us through what you see right behind you.
Well, absolutely, Navila. This is the first ever, Deepotsav here in Ayodhya after the Ram temple work has started. And you can see, the excitement is at high. People are coming now. You can see the numbers are increasing. People are now coming. But yes, there is a protocol. They need to maintain the social distancing. CM Yogi Adityanath has just welcomed and received Lord Ram along with Sita and Lakshmana. Then he performed the Rajyabhishek of them, and now he will be coming with any movement here at the Ram Katha Pandal. This whole event has been, conceptualized looking at the current COVID-19 guidelines, and they are trying to make this affair a grand affair along with, making all the things intact. And, for the people of Ayodhya, this is just not a Deepotsav. This is not just merely any other function. For them, it is about their sentiment, which is directly connected to Lord Ram. For them, he's not only their king, but also someone they follow throughout the year. And, they even say that, Ram lives in their hearts. So that is the kind of relation we have. We would like to show you some of the visuals right now. CM Adityanath has arrived, and the convoy, the Raj Rath of Ram, along with Sita and Lakshmana, has arrived here at the Ram Katha Park, and you can see the chant of Ram is happening in here with a full pomp and show, along with flowers being showered from the air through chopper, and you can see people are there. They are trying to capture this moment in their mobile phones, but the police officials also at the same time are dispersing them, asking them to make some space. But these are the sentiments which are at the peak. They really want to see their Lord Ram coming back to the home. They really want to capture this moment, because since, as we all know, this is the first Deepotsav for Ayodhya after the work has started for the Ram temple. So certainly people really want to see this event. They want to enjoy, they want to participate, and this is the kind of celebration Ayodhya does every year. But this year it is a bit special for them, because Ram Lala has finally come to Ayodhya in his own temple, and along with Sita and Lakshmana, and also for the fact that the government has also tried to project Uttar Pradesh as, a culturally driven state. And this particular event is looked up to, throughout the year.
It's delightful. Prime Minister Modi is also due to be attending the celebration virtually. Now you have Yogi Adityanath, who's overseeing all the celebration, all the preparation there. He's going to be part of this arrangement, and also this festivities that's kicked off right now. Whole of today, he's going to be part of this whole of today, overseeing all the preparation, and this is going to go on for the next 3 days, and it's going to be historic. Remember, about 5.51 lakh diyas that have been lit across the 24 ghats across of the temple town, and that apart, the 11 tableaus. That's actually going to be really the highlight of this entire event, the Deepotsava celebration that's just kicked off. We're bringing you the live visuals.
सचमुच राममय है आज का ये पूरा परिसर। डॉक्टर नीलकंठ तिवारी जी।
Our temple town set up, very beautifully decorated. Remember, this is the pandemic, amid the pandemic, that this has been set up. Clear COVID protocols that have been implemented and are due to be followed. You see every individual there wearing their face masks, most of them sitting at a distance, certain distance that's been maintained as well, and more importantly, it's banned for outsiders to be part of this celebration, considering the pandemic only. And that's why the virtual celebration or attending it virtually has been arranged for and it's been facilitated by the temple authorities and the Yogi Adityanath government, who've been supporting and overseeing this entire celebration and the setup of it. It's indeed going to be grand, and this is possibly the only positive event, a celebratory event, a festive event that's taking place amid this pandemic to bring in that hope, that kind of peace, the kind of positivity that people are expecting after this entire year of sorrow. Now, we're cutting across to Abhishek Mishra. There, Abhishek, we're seeing already celebrations have begun. The stage is set. The officials, the authorities, the community members are already seated. The pujas have already begun. What has begun right now? If you can take us through, when are the tableaus going to pass? And we understand from last year to this year, the celebrations in terms of setup is a lot grander, except people are a lot fewer because of the pandemic, and that's great. Virtual celebrations is what I think the entire country and the world will now be adapting to, and that's what the temple authorities have also felicitated. In fact, they've completely arranged for people to watch this celebration virtually. Take us through the details and how people can do that. And we hear already authorities there, mostly the temple authorities and officials who are part of a speech that's being carried out and the puja that's just taken place. What does this take us through? What you see on ground?
Well, absolutely, Nabila. We can certainly say that, you know, amid the COVID-19 guidelines and everything which is, you know, restricted here, the spirits are high. You know, the officials, the administrators, everybody has tried to make this event as grand as it used to be. And this year, as I've told you earlier, this is the first time after the construction work has started in Ayodhya. You know, it's a very important affair. Let's look at the stage one more time. Once again, you can see the stage has already been set, and you can certainly see the Ram Darbar, Ram along with Sita, Lakshman, Hanuman, and both the brothers. And you can see now, you know, CM Yogi Adityanath is sitting just in front of the stage, and he is here right now along with, the governor, and along with deputy CMs, other cabinet ministers, and specifically the saints, all these, you know, heads of the akhadas who have really worked hard for the construction of Ram Temple. They have fought this, whole movement for decades now. So for them also it is a very important and very auspicious moment, and that's the reason, you know, everything has been planned in such a way that the celebration is at a grand level. But yes, considering the fact that we are under a pandemic and we need to understand what are the restrictions and what are the limitations. But as I'm saying once again, that, you know, spirits are high. This event will last for about 30 minutes more, and then CM Adityanath will be moving towards Ram Ki Paidi, which is where we will witness 5.51 lakhs lamps will be lit today. And, you know, the artists from around the state are coming. They are going to perform there, and then they all will be, start their performances, and they all will be, again making this festival more grander. And also, as told you earlier, also, you know, the virtuality of this event has been designed in such a way that it is very interesting to see. Yes, there is a live streaming. Yes, you can participate in this coronation today by, you know, lighting the diya virtually. You can also designed.
Right, we're going to try and cut back to Abhishek Mishra. He's been bringing us glimpses of all the celebrations that you see here in Ayodhya. These are live visuals as it comes in. We're bringing you all the live shots of the celebrations in Ayodhya. Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who's right now present, part of the celebration, overseeing the entire process. He's there with Anandiben Patel, the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. They've just flagged off the event, the Deepotsava celebration that will go on for the next 3 days. Hectic celebrations in the temple town of Ayodhya. This comes in the backdrop of the grand Bhumi Pujan of the Ram Mandir that took place earlier. In fact, this is right after the Supreme Court order came in, declaring Ayodhya's Ram Mandir as a place of Lord Rama's birth. And this now eventually goes to the temple town The Ayodhya authorities there taking over the entire area and already gearing up to build a massive grand Ram Mandir. This comes on the heels of that, which is why this celebration this time around is all the more historic and more celebratory, more spirited, a lot more enthusiasm and excitement for those involved, considering this is also the pandemic, that kind of gloom that it brought in over the last 7 to 8 months. This indeed has brought in a lot of positivity. We're cutting straight across to celebrations in Ayodhya. Yes, Yogi Adityanath there with Anandiben Patel, the governor of Uttar Pradesh, along with the chief minister, both of them on stage, carrying forward with the Aarti, the puja that's currently underway. We're going to leave you with these visuals. Let's take a look as our reporter there, Abhishek Mishra, on ground, bringing us every detail there.
Janina Janyamaya Jantadeva Stani Dharmani Prathamanya Sannate Hanakam Mahi.
All right, we're going to take in Abhishek Mishra joining us live from Ayodhya. Abhishek, here we're looking at Yogi Adityanath and Anandiben Patel, who are on stage performing the Aarti and the Puja. It's quite surreal to see the entire temple town light up. The Festival of Lights, of course, Diwali that the country is celebrating. This is the temple town, Ayodhya, where all eyes across the globe will be keenly watching the entire celebration unfold, considering this is the first after the declaration of the Ram Mandir, the Bhumi Pujan that took place earlier, and now this grand historic celebration of Diwali. Indeed, bringing the much-needed positivity after the slump, the doom over the last 7 months to 8 months owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. We're seeing this celebration come as quite a sign of hope. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, absolutely, Navila, and as we have been discussing this earlier also, that it's gonna be a very important moment for all the people of Ayodhya and of course, for CM Yogi Adityanath. CM Adityanath has his own personal sentiments attached to Ram Lala. He has been the chief minister throughout this tenure, and now what we are seeing, you can see in the visuals right there. He is right now has just performed the Rajyabhishek, that is called the coronation of Lord Ram, which was performed back then in the Treta Yuga, when Ram came back to Ayodhya after his victory on Ravana in Sri Lanka. And the same ritual has been replicated once again here, and which CM Yogi Adityanath, along with Governor Anandiben Patel, has just done on the stage right now. And we can certainly say, look at the ambience. People are watching their Lord Ram, their King Ram, someone which they say lies in their hearts. So everybody is coming all together, and you can also see the social distancing has been maintained. You can see the police officials just sitting there also, standing there also, and they are just making sure that there is not a situation where people are, in close contact to each other. So that's all that is the COVID protocol, which is the utmost priority for the administration. But yes, looking at the sentiments of the people, considering the fact that this is the first celebration post the Bhumi Pujan, it is an important affair for Ayodhya, for the people of Ayodhya, and to not only for Uttar Pradesh, but for the entire India. It's because, we have seen from decades that the kind of movement which we have seen, followed throughout the decades. So it's certainly an important day, and today it looks like, Ram has once again came back here, and we can see the grand coronation certainly making us relive those moments
Undoubtedly.
which, used to be in the Treta Yuga. Yes.
For sure. Abhishek, do enjoy the celebrations yourself and do stay safe. Here is celebrations in Ayodhya. You saw Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath of Uttar Pradesh and even Anandiben Patel, the governor, joining in, flagging off this grand Deepotsava celebrations in the temple town.